Hey, sneekylinux back today. Today we've got CtkArch Linux. Of course, based on Arch Linux. This is the first one I've been able to get installed and run really good. The last one just didn't work for me. Obviously they work for other people, but not for me. And it comes with the open box. So I like a bit of open box, you know me. I like the boxes that are open. You know me. Oh yes. So we're going to have a little look around, do some bits and bobs and go from there. So anyway, here we go. I'm going to go down to the bottom here. It's a hidden bar. When you first boot up in the live CD mode, you get this. So basically you can have a look at the documentation, and it gives you a few controls there. So we're going to open the documentation, bearing in mind it doesn't auto connect to the net. You have to do it, and we'll do that in a bit, I think. So there we are. If we come to the documentation, there's all the passwords, etc., how to do stuff. Copy it to RAM if you want to, persistent data folders, which I don't mind using sometimes, but with this I think a full install will be better. It tells you all the stuff it comes with, which is alright for the size. I mean, the size is about 580, something like that. Got some console in the applications and installation related stuff there as well. Now originally I did have a few problems installing this, quite a few to say the least, quite a few, but I managed to get around them and we've got it on the screen now, so that's pretty nice, I thought. Anyway, the menu is down here, the clock is down there, and you've got a completely clear desk. If you right click, of course, you get applications, desktops, environment, so it's all about OpenBox and configuring it. So we'll click on OpenBox configure, wait for it to come up for just a second. Won't be too long, don't worry. No, I promise it won't be too long. It's shorter than that normally. And then you can do your themes, appearances, your windows, move and resize stuff, choose what you want your mouse to do stuff to your desktops if you want that many, if at all, set your margins and your dock. Nice. Okay, we'll go back to the main menu now. Okay, audio and video, you have Audacious for your music, Avid Emacs for editing, Brasero for burning, SM Player for videos, and MH Wave for wave editing-y, thingy, music-y, doofus. Oh, did I tell you it was from France? Oh, oui, oui, it's from France. All the way from France. Yeah, love it. Games, you've got Tux there, and for graphics we have Gimpy, GTK Cam, and an image viewer. So it's quite basic, but you do get two browsers, Aurora and Midori, and I like both of them anyway. There's also Pigeon, Slifered for your mouse, Wicked for your network connections, XChat for your XChatty stuff, and GFTP for your GFTP stuff. Under Office, we've got AppyWord, Genumeric, and a PDF viewer. So I'll open up AppyWord as I normally would do, just check it out, see what it's like. So it comes up quite quick, doesn't it? It's alright, yeah. So what is that? Let's see what version we got here. Oh, wrong one. What's an idiot? Didn't want to do that one. So I'll go back there and go back AppyWord, it'll be even easier. It's 2.8.6. That's alright. Does the job. Says what it does on the tin. You know what I mean? Of course you do. Okay, back to the menu. We've also got settings there for AR&R, customise look and feel, OpenBox configuration manager again, preferred applications, so if you hit something, say a link, it will say, oh, should we open it and just show you? It'll be easier, wouldn't it, really? So preferred one, if you hit a hyperlink, do you want Midori or Aurora? You know what, I'm going to just say Midori for that. Mail client, as I've only got Slifered here, I can choose that, but obviously you can actually download stuff for it, which will be the usual Arch way, which we'll come to in a video in about a week, I think, so I'm really backed up at the moment. So now we're going to go back to Internet, or Network, should I say, and we're going to go down to Wicked, click on Wicked, because we really want to set our network connection up, don't we? And you have to wait a little while, my little box comes up, I click on my box, it thinks about it, and it does some stuff. Do we want to use that one? Of course we do. We connect to the wired one because that's the one we're on, and it does all the stuff for us. Gets our IP address. If you've used small distros before, you've seen Wicked anyway, or even if it's working in the background, it'll be there. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to see if the net works. So I'm going to use Aurora for this one. So that'd be quite good, wouldn't it? Yeah. Do you like Aurora? I like Aurora. Yeah, it's alright. I was going to do some French speaking, but I thought I couldn't be bothered really, because I made myself look a fool. So anyway, this is what you get up for your home page. Now, as you can see, it's Francais. Oh no, I don't want to do that, do I? Because I'm not very good at French. Other languages, yes. French, I couldn't stand it at school, but sorry chaps, that's just me. I think it's because it was forced on us. But in French, it tells you all about it in French. And if you click English, it changes over, it tells you all about it in English. Now, this is the version we're using here. So it's been out a couple of months. I've got the hybrid image, 32-bit. I've not tried the 64-bit, but apparently it's okay from other people I've known who've used it. But there's only videos on it. So yeah, that's pretty good. So we're going to check out some stuff here. So we're going to the BBC, check it out, see what happens over there. They've all got different searches, by the way, as well. That'll do. BBC. That's the one I want to see. Oh yes, and this is Wikipedia, by the way. So I could actually change that. I think I will change that to Yahoo's right. And we'll do that again and see what happens. I'm going to get something else. That's better. That's what I want to do. We'll go to the BBC homepage. Now, of course, Flash and all that is not installed by default. It will not be installed by default. That's all that has to be done by their package manager. Well, it's not actually a package manager. It's all done in terminal, really, isn't it? It's only the second Arch. I don't know, only a third lot of Arches I've ever done, really. Not really been my cup of tea, really, but hey, I can get into it if I really want to. You know, we can give it a go, you know what I mean? Say the browser works all right, we'll go to a page, we'll click on there, make sure it comes up all right. I'll apologise for my net again, bloody thing, but we'll sort it out tomorrow. There you go. Renders nice to me, so we'll come out of that. It's pretty nice. I like the desktop background, really nice, I thought. We'll open Gimpy up just before we finish. There we go. Starts doing a bit. In actual fact, this is quite quick actually for Gimpy. I was quite impressed. Now he says, Mr. wherever his name's gone, I've got his name on a bit of paper here. He says, Mr. Calimero Technique says it will run really good from 550 megahertz CPU upwards. It needs about 2 GB of RAM to run. Sorry, it needs 2 GB of hard drive to run and around about 250 to 500 of RAM. Now, of course, I've got a lot more on it on this one, so it runs pretty smoothly. But on the whole, I really like it actually. It's rather nice. So what I'm going to be doing is I've got another spare machine here. I'm going to put it on and do a full install and go from there. So I'll give you another video in about a week's time. But yeah, CtkArch from France, very good indeed, especially if you like a bit of Arch or you're trying to try an Arch and want an easy route into it. Nice. Sneaky Linux going out. See you later.